For those of you who sit all day at your job or drive for a living, this exercise will help you remind your muscles that they don't have to stay tight and frozen in one position. It will also teach you that the way in which you sit up straight just might be contributing to your discomfort more than you realize. This movement will help you sit in a more balanced way. It will also help you to become more self-correcting should you begin to feel discomfort while sitting. Sit on a chair next to a full-length mirror if you have one. Don't face the mirror directly. Sit so that you can see yourself in profile in the mirror. Sit with your back in a relaxed, neutral position. And now arch your back and push your chest forward slightly. Let your pelvis tilt forward. This is one of the two versions of straight I see most often. The back is arched and the weight is pitched forward. This is a typical green light reflex pose, tightening the back and ready for action. It pulls the spine into a bow rather than allowing it to be vertical and relaxed. The back muscles contract from the tailbone all the way up to the base of the neck. It's a very common posture and contributes to low back pain. Now, slump back into the chair so that your back touches the backrest. Slightly hunch your shoulders. This is the other version of straight I often see, the exact opposite of the green light posture, the red light posture. Your belly is tight, your weight rests on the back of your pelvis, and your neck juts forward. This can create a tight, painful neck and a sore upper back. Whichever way you sit, arched forward or rounded down, either extreme is uncomfortable. In time, your body comes to accept these extremes as the norm. After all, your muscles are simply doing what you tell them to do. Now, close your eyes and sit up to what feels straight for you. Then open your eyes and take a look in the mirror. Are you arched? Rounded? What's your norm? Notice how you feel, but don't try to change it. Now close your eyes again. Inhale and slowly arch your back gently as you look up to the ceiling. Let the pelvis tilt forward as your back arches, and let the front of your body be relaxed, long, and open. Now exhale and slowly round your lower back and let your pelvis curl under slightly. Let your neck and head drop down. Curl inward through the center of your body. Repeat this arching and rounding slowly several times, and make the movement slow and smooth. Let your pelvis rock back and forth. Let your head go back as you arch your back, and let your head drop down as you round forward. You're moving your entire spine. Now slowly come up to what your brain tells you is straight. Keeping your eyes closed, sense your back and spine. Are they on top of your sit bones, the bones at the bottom of your pelvis? You want to be on top of your sit bones, not in front of them nor in back of them. Do some self-adjustment. Relax your buttocks. Rock slowly from side to side on your sit bones. Touch your hip flexors at the groin line. Those are the muscles that insert into the groin. Are they relaxed? When you feel relaxed and balanced, open your eyes and see if your internal sensations agree with what you see in the mirror. If you're still a little arched or rounded, close your eyes and do this exercise one more time. The goal is to get your internal sense of straight to agree with your visual sense. This exercise can permanently change the way in which you sit. With practice, you'll be able to sit effortlessly and without fatigue. You're retraining your internal awareness to agree with what you see in the mirror. At first, you might feel slumped or a little bit out of balance, but don't worry. Your brain has created a habit that needs to be changed slowly but surely. Eventually, slumping or overarching will feel odd and uncomfortable instead of normal.